everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is my first mini vlog. I haven't posted the full vlog on 2 months. So, this is the mini vlog on shorts. Look at this guys. Guys দেখেন এখানে ঝড় হচ্ছে অথবা বৃষ্টি বজ্রপাত হচ্ছে I accidentally paused it. So stay tuned to the end of this video in this shorts video, okay? Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at this view. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Assalamu alaikum. Full vlog is coming soon on this time.